Belgium is Germany, right?
No.
No, Belgium is Belgium.
Ini aja behind the scene pertemuan kita.
Oh, okay. But in my case, like I love speaking English, but in my household, no one talk in English. I don't know what the fuck happened, like bitch ass friend group.
He doesn't know.
Welcome to my podcast.
Your podcast.
My podcast.
Her podcast, guys.
I have 2 guests.
Hey, what my name? I'm Rin. Udah?
I'm lucky.
Jadi
What are we gonna talk about?
your opinion about
Friendship.
orang yang bokelek.
Oh,
Oh my god.
it's so deep, guys.
I have experienced that way too many, and I was that. Look,
Guys, ini topiknya deep banget, guys.
yeah.
Political.
Honestly, if you have smelly armpits, it's okay, but don't be around me.
Low key, for me, I used to have a really bad smell, body odor. But like, use MBK, guys. It really helped. Use MBK.
I think everyone had that phase. I had that phase.
Click
Apalagi pas
this,
SMP.
noise cancelling.
Ini.
Yeah. Sampai kuning. Kuning. Gak ada di kuning. Nah, baik. Oke.
Jadi gue juga pernah dulu SMP, tapi I did everything to counterfeit. Jadi kayak gue pakai MBK lah, gue pakai deodoran, gue bawa tuh deodoran ke sekolah. Gue kantongin tuh deodoran. Terus wait guys, ada Kak Adli guys. Ada Kak Adli guys. Jadi menurut gue kalau lu tahu lu bau, please mandi. Pertama-tama mandi please.
Honestly,
Do everything shower.
Sehari 2 kali mandinya.
it might work the opposite because if you shower too much, you sweat more often.
Really?
Oh, really?
Because
I just knew.
you're draining your body oil kan, so you produce more.
Gue baru tahu guys.
Just use the right deodorant, guys. Dead ass.
Pakai ini antiperspirant.
Luluran.
Ya,
With kunyit kuning.
ratain dulu goblok.
Kan gak kelihatan anjing.
See, I have a condition where I do sweat a lot, and it's like,
You do sweat a lot.
yeah, I sweat a lot everywhere actually, on my hands and on my whole body. Tapi because I know that I can't really change that. It's genetics. So I do everything to kayak.
When you fucking shower, scrub it hard, girl. Your armpit. Dead ass.
Use a scrubber. What is called?
Apa sih, lufa, pakai lufa.
But ini sih lebih
Oh, iya, lo bawa ya?
lebih kayak jaga pola makan because
True.
your gut
Matters.
your gut is
Ngefek gitu loh.
I forgot the quotes but like your gut is your future, something like that. I forgot.
Guys, please tell me how to improve my gut health.
Eat better.
Eat
Eat
better.
more fiber.
Drink water, especially water.
Drink water, eat more fiber, dan
Make a
ini
ginger shot.
pakai ini apa sih namanya? Probiotics.
Yes, like
Probiotics,
kimchi.
kombucha,
Yeah.
gitu-gitulah, fermented things. That's really good. Yakult probiotics.
Minum Yakult tiap hari.
That quote is true, guys. Probiotics is really good for your gut health.
Cintai ususmu.
Itu kayak ini.
Lanjut the song.
Minum Yakult tiap hari.
Oke, lanjut.
Jadi ini agak TMI tapi ini nyambung. My stepsister told me about orang India. Jadi ternyata orang India tuh emang bau semua.
Maybe we should just one mic.
Ya. Jadi kayak emang mereka bau semua. Dan one day my stepsister and my stepmom went out to buy groceries di Amrik. Mereka mau makan. Terus beli bawang merah. Tapi kayaknya itu tuh bawang merahnya orang India.
Wait, where were they? In India kah?
Enggak, lagi di Amerika.
Oh, they're in America.
Ya, mereka lagi di Columbia
Why are they in? Oh,
because my sister is she's
pertama di UC terus
dia lagi
lanjut
magister.
anjir.
Iya, dia lagi magister di Columbia. Terus mau bikin nasi goreng. Belilah itu bawang merah. Anjir, ternyata bau kele. Terus it really reflects ternyata orang India tuh emang it's what they eat.
It's just, yeah. Indian people eat weird shit. Not like, I want to think that like, oh, it's healthy because they don't really eat meat, so it's like mostly vegetables, but like, they douse it in some shit.
I know, right?
Oh, you know what? Because they're so. Oh my god.
Next topic.
IMO.
You are what?
Oh, IMO. Good English doesn't mean fluency. Good English doesn't mean fluency. Some bitches would get like 8 and 8.5 on their IELTS and have the worst accent possible.
I think speaking fluent English really just like
Normal thing.
enggak, source-nya tuh biasanya dari how you
Yeah, grow up.
grow up.
Oh yeah.
If you grew up talking in English a lot, yeah, you'd have fluent English. Tapi that doesn't mean you're good at like grammars atau like punctuations gitu-gitu.
But in my case, like I love speaking English, but in my household, no one talk in English, so it's hard for me to practice it.
In my house, everyone speaks English, especially my little brother. So
It goes to the point, Imam doesn't know how to speak Indonesian, guys.
yeah, and it became an actual problem.
Iya.
Tapi sekarang dia bisa.
Kalau ngomong bahasa Inggris sama Imam, Cok.
Iya.
Speak Indo.
Tapi dia sekarang udah bisa, guys. Karena aku paksa. Gak boleh, kamu gak boleh ngomong pakai bahasa Inggris.
Okay, guys. I love speaking English, but you see my dad, he speak English but Singlish. So sometimes he put like, yeah, macam tu lah.
What's your dream travel destination?
Ooh, I love this question.
You first.
Used to be Canada, but now Italy.
Italy?
Italy.
Some
Why?
northern Italy. Soalnya Italy tuh low key like, especially northern Italy ya. Ki Indo anjir.
Iya, iya.
Kayak it's traditional enough. It feels like calming, but also like not poverty.
Rome. You want to go to Rome?
No, northern Italy.
Northern Italy.
Oh, you first.
Me, I think intinya Europe sih.
Yeah, duh. I feel like everybody is Europe.
Everyone.
Europe. I wanna go to France. Tapi France-nya Paris, iya, Belgium. Aku pengen ke Belgium. Terus Monaco. Why was he looking at me like that? Excellent. Oh my god, Excel what? Monaco.
But if you're going to Monaco, you need like a ton of shit cash.
Yeah, a ton of cash. Yeah, they use cash there. Monaco, France,
Banyak sih
Italy,
travel di pikir Belgium.
Belgium. Intinya Europe.
Belgium is so underrated, guys. If you want to go somewhere in Europe, don't hit Paris and stuff like that. That's like boring. Belgium.
Oh.
Belgium is Germany, right?
No.
Oh,
No, Belgium is Belgium.
Belgium. Oh.
Belgium is Belgium. Cuma ya
Okay.
tetanggaan.
Iya,
I don't
dekat
understand-
gitu.
I don't understand geography, guys. Sorry.
Terus ini apa? Madrid.
Boleh.
I wanna go to
Madrid.
Spain.
Spain, true.
I wanna go to Spain.
Actually, no. I would die in Spain.
Why?
Too loud.
So me.
I want to go to Brazil.
She wants to meet Neymar.
No, actually,
And Ukraine. I know it's like really niche, but like so beautiful.
Yeah.
for me, I love Asian culture, so I want to like keliling Asian.
Asia dulu ya.
Yeah. But kayak dari Vietnam and
I wanna go to Philippines.
No.
I've been to Philippines, tapi cuma transit. But the people is so nice.
I know.
I don't know. Maybe it's just at the airport.
Philippines is way too much like Indo, lol.
Loki ya?
Yeah.
Emang Philippines Vietnam itu kan mirip banget. Vietnam a little bit more
Tapi
Chinese.
Vietnam tuh kerasa banget bedanya. For some
Iya.
reason.
It's more
A
Chinese.
little more Chinese.
I would rather choose Vietnam. Itu sih kalau misalnya Asia, Vietnam. I don't even want to go to Japan that much.
if you, I said that before. Like, I don't want to go to Japan anymore. But like, if you've been there, you want to go back. You go back. You go back again. Like,
It's too overstimulating.
Kalau aku, I think I went to Korea once, and
Oh,
I
you went
wanna.
to Korea?
Yeah, I went to Korea, and I really wanna go back
True.
because I think gak tahu ya apakah itu pas zaman aku ke Korea. Aku kayaknya SD deh, kelas 6 gitu kalau nggak salah. The people were actually like my type of people.
what do you
Mereka
mean
tuh
your type?
mereka tuh kayak they mind their own business.
Oh yeah, yeah.
So much.
Iya, iya.
Mereka nggak peduli kita ngapain. Kita seturisty apapun mereka nggak peduli. What's the most spontaneous thing you've ever done?
Let me think.
Let me think.
Honestly, applying to my scholarship, y'all. I didn't think I would get this far. So kayak, ya sih yang bermimpi, cuma, oh my god, I made it.
I'm proud of you.
Yeah.
I'm proud of you.
And going to here. Kayak, awalnya sih cuma kayak, udah cobain data, selalunya jadinya nempel anjing.
The most spontaneous thing. Oh, probably when I was 4th grade, and me and my dad just like scrolling Traveloka kayak, tiket murah, and we book it, and turns out it was like my exam week.
Oh.
Great.
For 2 weeks. It's my exam week.
Aku apa ya?
My life is not that interesting.
Apa ya? Spontaneous. I think making friends. I'm always spontaneous.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Aku selalu kayak
TBK camp.
TPK camp. Oh yeah, that was. And I made 5 friends selama 3 hari. Jadi,
Good job,
jadi aku 3 hari nginep
We would never.
2 nights and I
Yeah.
made 5 friends.
Yeah, we would never do it.
This is my go. Guys, kalau kemana belilah coffee mint. This is the
Ini
treasure.
enak banget guys.
Can you share behind the scenes story that no one knows?
Tentang apa ya?
Let's make a thumbnail.
Ini aja behind the scene pertemanan kita.
Oh, okay.
Jadi kalau aku dari kelas 10 tuh sebenarnya aku temenan sama Nep. Tapi Nep tuh tapi aku nggak sedekat itu.
Nanti aku bakal kayak pop up muka Nep.
Ya, ada Nep di sini. Aku dulu temenan, tapi cuma kayak apa ya? Temenannya sebenarnya dekat, tapi relationshipnya tuh kayak aku sama Belva. Kayak ya dekat, tapi nggak kayak sering main gitu loh. Terus one day kita kan OSIS, kita bareng, kita satu divisi. Jadi makin deket lah itu satu divisi. Terus kita kayak sering jadi punching bagnya kakak-kakak kelas di OSIS. Karena kita tuh diligent kerjanya.
Religion.
Iya, karena aku sama Nep tuh niat kerjanya tuh. Dan banyak anak-anak yang nggak niat. Sapi.
Continue.
Jadi makanya aku sama si Nep makin dekat gitu. Terus akhirnya we decided buat nyalonin jadi ketos pas kelas 11. Nah, in the span kita lagi pemilos itu, Nep itu main di
PS kan.
di mana tuh namanya? Yang kita ketemu
Oh, pos.
Point Arena. Di Point Arena.
Iya, poin mana lah.
Kita jadi mereka main, si Rin sama si Nep itu main di Point Arena. Terus aku tuh sebenarnya udah di rumah, tapi aku tuh lagi nggak mau pulang. And then I asked Nep, mana di mana? Di Point Arena tapi sama Rin. And I said fuck it, and I went there. Terus ternyata pas kita di sana, si Nepnya pulang. Jadi dia meninggalkan aku dan Rin berdua. Mind you, we never talked. Kita nggak pernah one convo.
Ever.
Nggak pernah. Kita
Kayaknya zaman maneh ke pasar dulu aing nggak pernah say hi ke maneh.
nggak lagi pemilos.
Iya, tuh pemilos pun aing nggak pernah kayak semangat Sar nggak.
Iya. Ini tuh di akhir-akhir pemilos pokoknya. Gue lupa gue udah kepilih atau belum. Pokoknya udah di akhir. Kayak aku sama Gege kan sebelum kita temenan kita sering kayak hai
and
gitu.
just smile at each other.
Kalau sama Rin tuh aku nggak pernah.
Samsak.
Nggak pernah sama sekali. Terus tiba-tiba ditinggalkan berdua. Terus akhirnya
What she's gonna say is so anomaly and I would never do it again.
It's so funny.
Terus tiba-tiba kita makan kan, kita makan ramen setelah itu.
Just both of you guys.
Yeah, just both of us.
Guess who traktir? Never again I will do that. That was
Rin tuh gak
what
pernah
happened?
traktir gara-gara gak tahu lupa. Kamu tiba-tiba bilang on me gitu ya. Terus aku kayak really?
Yeah.
Oke. Terus
You're like, oh, emang enak gitu, enak gitu kan? I don't know either. But my sister said it's good. Yaudah, sok aja kita coba beda. On me lah kata Aing teh.
ya
Blood.
ternyata enak sih sebenarnya.
It's okay. What the hell?
We talked about apa ini our dads.
No, like I remember kayak, kau punya bapak nggak ya? Terus
Enggak.
Oh
iya, iya, iya.
I said that.
Yeah, you said that. And then I said, anjir sama. Thank you. We bonded over a trauma.
Yeah.
Terus kalau sama Keke, gak tau sih tiba-tiba kita temenan kayak.
kita teman-teman karena ini I remember kita tuh mau potong rambut sama Saf bertiga.
But it was after we rekindled, like the whole group is back together. And then you guys just got close over the haircut. For me, it was pretty simple. Maksudnya Aing sama MPLS sendiri dan pas udah masuk kelas pun sendiri anjing. Aing duduk sorangan
First day
anjing.
we talk, Rin. First day we talk.
No, like in general, I was sitting alone. Everybody had to see fucking mates. Enggak sih, kita semua duduk sendiri ya?
Iya.
Ya pokoknya nobody approached me, so then I decided to approach Saf. I was just like, hey, you
No,
smell
I-
nice. And then I approached you, and then we approached. Waktu zaman-zaman ngegambar each other,
Yeah.
and they put it in the wall, and
I
then
was scared of her.
Girl. And then we were just like admiring each other's painting and stuff like that. And I was like, oh. And then I talked
Umay
with
baru bangun.
to Keke, and I got really close with Keke. And then it was me, Saf, Keke, and Hannah.
No. It was first me, you, Saf, Nep.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it was. four
And then
of us.
Hannah was there.
And then Saf and Nep
Oh, yeah,
went
dan Nep
with
ya.
Monique. We just stay.
I swear to God, there was Hannah in that fucking table.
Yeah. No.
Nggak ada.
Terus habis itu kita
Okay.
kayak, what you
Oh
do?
no. There was a phase where it was just me, Hannah, Kay, and Saf. Tapi tiba-tiba si Hannah menghilang, jadi me, Kay, Saf, Nep gitu. And then kembalilah ke Nep dan Monique dan Aing dan Keke. Terus Aing bareng Keke, shit happen. Aing
No, we gabung sama Hana Umay dulu.
iya. Iya, gabung sama Umay. Terus
we went to
Aing Keke Umay Hana. Terus malah yang berpisah Hana Keke, Aing Umay. Jadi kebalik gitu. Terus kelas 11 I just had Umay, and then suddenly I got close with Sarah.
I thought you were close with Nep and Saf after Dufan. Oh no, wait, after Dufan was that?
Before Dufan.
Oh iya, pas Dufan ya. Pokoknya ya, throughout 10th grade, I was just with Umay, and then Dufan happened and I got close with Saf. But I wasn't as close with Saf. It was just, ya udah, soalnya sih emang close off kan. Dan 11 Aing mulai lebih dekat sama Saf dan Nep. Karena si Umay balik terus, dan Aing kayak Aing gak mau balik.
Gak mau diambil dulu.
Ya,
I'm
Aing
talking and we both busy.
eating fucking fries.
Maaf lapar.
Gak apa-apa. Terus mulailah dengan fase gue nemenin Saf pacaran. Dan nemenin pas si Saf udah kembali ke period les, Aing jadi nemenin si Sarah si Nep gitu. I think that was after our convo in point. Udah deh. Terus kelas end of 12 I rekindled with her in UKS. UKS terus kita jalan. That's it. Umay stayed with me from 10th to 12, guys. Love that girl.
This will be a long story, guys. Yeah, this will be a long story. Okay. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So,
Khutbah anjir.
so first before I went to pribadi, teman aku Kaira tuh udah mention kayak, "Kay, aku ada teman nih masuk pribadi juga, Nep." So, aku langsung DM Nep dong, kamu masuk pribadi juga ya? Aku juga masuk pribadi, Salken ya. So, I was like confident that we're going to be friends kan. Terus kayak ya udah, Pas MPLS kayak we met terus kayak hai. Tapi kita tuh beda kelompok. Jadi aku 3 days right kayak MPLS aku sama itu. Tapi kalau setiap makan malam makan siang. Makan siang tuh I join ini nap. Dan pas enggak iya kayaknya ya. I don't remember though. Dan pas makan siang tuh awalnya tuh kan aku pelongo kan, masih nyari nap. Aku tuh kenalan sama Saf kayak hai sama Saf sama Kila. Tahu ya? Skip first day of school. First day of school, aku tuh kayak I saw Rin kayak masih sepi. I approach her kayak hi, terus dia kayak hi, ya udah. And then udah weh. Aku tuh duduk sama sebelah Nep atau Saf, I don't remember. It's either both of them. Terus kita tuh kayak ngobrol-ngobrol. Pulang sekolah tuh aku inget banget. Cuy, kita nongkrong yuk. Itu di Abnormal kata Safira sebelah asrama. Terus aku yang kayak ayo. Dan pas kita mau OTW Abnormal, sorry banget, itu bapak aing ngejemput.
Siapa?
Si bapaknya si Saf.
Anjir.
Anjing aing teh kayak anjing. Kayak I'm not mad, I'm just like okay, this girl. Tuh ada. Ya udah. Jadi terus the whole week first day of school tuh aku tuh deketnya tuh sama Nep sama Saf. Jadi kita bertiga tuh kayak main gitu-gitu sampai kita tuh ke toko buku yang depan Gramedia. Togamas. We go to Togamas, terus kayak we go to Jardin, everything bla bla bla. And then I don't know what happened, tapi I got close with Rin. Terus and we talk. Oh karena aku tuh gak catering. Terus I prefer makan di bawah. Jadi aku kayak ya aku ngobrol sama Rin gini-gini. Terus aku tuh emang dari dulu tuh anaknya tuh kayak hyper kan, kemana kesana kesini. Terus kayak aku kenalan dong sama anak-anak asrama sama gini sama gitu. And then ya sama kayak Rin. Jadi aku deketnya deket sama Rin. Pas ada Monik gitu-gitu. And at the end of kelas 10 kan kita tuh ada OSIS camp. So the option is either we go to Singapore Malay or we go to glamping at I don't remember where. Terus aku karena different class. Oh yeah. She go to Japan.
I didn't go to Japan.
It's either Japan or Malang kan.
I went to Malang with Kila.
Is that
Sumpah. But it's actually so fun.
Kila fun sih.
Kila so fun.
Terus kayak dari situ aku mulai deket sama anak-anak asrama. So, jadi
That's when we drifted, I think.
That's why kita mulai drifted. Terus pas kelas 11 kita tuh beda kelas. Aku sekelasnya tuh sama Nep. Dan aku sama Nep tuh I don't know why kita tuh ada distant, but we both kayak pengen ngobrol sama each other. Tapi kayak there's distant, kayak the gap. Meskipun kayak dia duduk sini, aku duduk sini. Like cuman beda satu kursi, but like
It's her internal gap, guys. She was too scared.
I was too scared and like yeah. Terus that went on still
Until like early 12th grade.
early 12th grade, right? Terus shit happened at 12th grade. I don't know what the fuck happened, like bitch ass friend group.
We're hungry, guys.
We're hungry, guys.
And it's good as hell.
Ya kan? And we talk and kayak shit happened right at 12th grade. And I don't have any friends. Like I feel I don't have any friends. So my instinct is just like I think I need to approach Rin. Because pas kelas 11 juga, if I have problem, I will approach her. Even though kita udah gak terlalu dekat, I will approach her. I don't know why. Kayak, God, she knows what's going on. Terus kayak, kita tuh dapet assignment math. We got kayak, ya berdua gitulah kelompoknya. Terus pas udah beres, we have fun kayak, oh ya gini. And terus habis itu dia tuh mau ke klinik, and I was like, ya aku juga mau ke klinik. Even though I don't know what I'm going to clinic. Terus kayak
You were just in the clinic.
no.
laying down.
We go together with Umay.
Oh
three of us. Terus kayak pas sampai
Iya, Aing mau sama Umay kan, terus
Iya.
lu sama Nep.
No, I'm alone.
Oh
We
iya.
just three of us.
Oh iya. Si gue dan si Umay pengen, terus ketemu lu di jalan.
No, aku ngomong, ayo kita bareng ke klinik, ayo. Do you
You
remember?
went to my class? Oh, kita kan sekelas.
Kita sekelas,
Oh iya.
Continue.
Continue guys.
Sorry, I'm hungry.
Ya, terus kayak sister know about my problem with my friends, so I'm just like crash out in front of her and with them kayak, sus I don't know what to do, and Rin kayak, ya tell me lah, biasanya juga tell me gitu, terus like I tell them, terus I tell them like I want to hang out like old good days like that, terus kayak ya kenapa nggak ngomong, terus and then wow, the whole friend group came into clinic. And then we talk about like 3 hours, and then we
Except for me, guys, I slept.
I don't know where she goes.
I was,
And she was different class, LOL.
yeah, and I didn't like going out of the class.
I don't know where she going. Terus kayak we talk, and then we had fun. Terus kayak, oh my god, I miss this feeling. I miss that feeling. And then
Wow, I'm
and then the next day, like on Sunday,
I'll get tissue.
Rins randomly texted me, oh my god, ini habis baterai.
She used to be so scared, guys.
You know, oh and then after that, jadi we got close, and then
Galak.
You, my op.
Aduh,
Can you do it?
wow, aku kenyang.
ya begitu guys. BTW, you want to hold it or just?
I'll do it.
Why don't we just cut it and then kayak
Do it again.
do it again? Can you? Yeah, no, just cut it.
Why?